everyone. Today we are going to conduct a speaking mock test for the International English Language Testing System or IELTS taking place in SMP Islam Kreatif Mutiara Anak Soleh. The candidate is
Fulvera Raya Atmadipra.
and the examiner is Andi Lansari. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start with part 1. In this examination, I will ask you some personal questions about people, personalities, and character. And the first question is, do you enjoy meeting new people?
Well, from my point of view, meeting new people can really add a lot to your life. I'm an extrovert person, so because of that, I love coming into someone new. In the first time, maybe it can be a bit awkward, but after a while, I can get really close with them.
Alright. The second one is, will you describe yourself as a sociable person?
Well, that's an interesting question because it can be mixed. What I'm saying is sometimes I can be sociable and sometimes I can be an unsociable person. Maybe it depends on the person who I meet with. If the person who I meet with is fun, maybe I can be sociable. But if the person who I meet with is a flat type of person, then maybe it can be a bit awkward. All in all, it depends on the person who I meet with.
Very good. And the last one is, are you usually punctual or late?
Well, it depends on the activity that I will be doing. If I'm looking forward to the activity like meeting with my friends, then I will probably be punctual. If I'm not really looking forward to the activity like coming to school or collecting an assignment, then I will probably postpone it or be late. Overall, I'd say it can be a mix of both.
Alright, now we can move to the second part of this examination. In this part, I'm going to give you a question card with a topic about people, personalities, and characters. And you have to talk about it for about 2 minutes. But before that, you have 1 minute to think what you are going to say, and you can take some notes in your card. Any question? No? So this is your card and your pen. Your time starts from now. Okay, your 1 minute is over. Now you can talk what you have written in your card.
Okay, so I'd like to talk about my dad, who is chief in editor of Surabaya. He's been on the job for more than a decade. My dad has been in charge for more than a decade, and he is very inspiring for his work around the clock and his confidence. Not only as a worker, but as a father, he's the best. He's extremely caring and empathic. I think that with those traits, I would be happy with myself. I would love to be considered as caring, hardworking, and confident.
Wow, what an interesting explanation about your father. You say that someone that you admire so much is your father. Do you think that you have the same personalities as your father?
In my opinion, like I said, my father is caring, hardworking, and confident. I think between those three, I am only suitable for caring because I care a lot for everyone, and I'm very nice.
Okay. What is the example when you care for everyone? Can you show me one? For example, maybe when your friend is sick or what?
An example is like when my friend hasn't done his homework, so I ask him to do his work first. So after that we can do.
So it means that you remind them. It means that you are caring for them.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much. Give applause for you. Okay, everyone. So this is the end for the IELTS speaking mock test, and I want to say something about improving speaking skills. So the point is you have to be consistent, and it means that keep practicing, keep speaking, and don't be afraid to make any mistake. Okay, thank you. That's all for today's session. Let's closing together. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.